Jay today. Not with my girlfriend, as you can see. It's just me by myself. And my cousin there, here on the camera. But anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how to clean your guys' icy souls. Yeah, these are kind of gone already, pitched yellow and shit. But anyways, excuse me for my language. Anyways, I know they're not gonna be as what you say, clear like when you first bought them, but they'll still be maybe. Hopefully, this is my first time doing it. Hopefully, they'll come out more clear than what they look like right now. Anyways, the ingredients we're using are
Fabuloso.
Dawn dish soap, this rejuvenator sneaker system, and bleach from Comet. It's like some powdery bleach. Anyways, and we're using the brush too. We mix it all up together, and you get like this colored bowl, like teal kind of blue color. I guess you could say teal, my colors like this. Anyways, so what you're gonna do first is, obviously, start brushing. See what you can get. And make sure you scrub hard. You don't want to scrub like slow or soft. You really want to dig in deep into the shoe and see what you can get. So yeah, I've had these shoes for already a year.
When did they release?
They released on July 7th of last year. They're not. They're still good. No crease, as you can tell. Maybe slight creasing right around here. They're a little, they're kind of mixed up already, but for a year, it's a pretty good shoe. I really like this shoe because they really use the material. Like, they really, put a lot of harder effort, I guess, on the shoes. Usually, the shoes don't really come out as good like this is. I'm not sure about the grapes. The material's not that good, I guess. For some people. Anyways, I'll wipe it down, of course. Hoping that it'll come out. Nope.
No.
Nothing. Well, you can see the navy blue a lot better now. But, like I said, I've had these for a year. Maybe they might not even turn out anything. They might look the same. Just the blue part is gonna look more blue. Let me show you the difference. Okay, maybe a little bit. Maybe I just wiped off the dirt though. Maybe nothing really big. But anyways, still scrubbing down the shoe. You can just fast forward to this part if you want to see me scrubbing the shoe, right? I would just fast forward to this shit because I don't really know how to edit the videos that good yet. Plus, I'm using my phone. Sorry for the crappy quality too. Anyways, I'm here at my cousin's house. Luis. His YouTube channel is Obey Luis 93.
Yeah.
93. Yeah, you can.
I've only made one video.
Only made one video. So
Cinnamon challenge.
Cinnamon challenge. That's all good. You'll become YouTube famous like me. I'm not even YouTube famous. I don't even know all my subscribers even watching the show all the time. And as you can hear in the background music, it's Drake, Jodeci, freestyle with J. Cole. Pretty good song. I like it. Oh, and the last song that I was just playing is Emotion by Drake and stuff. I don't know his last name, but it starts with an S. Good song too. Okay, this is not gonna work because I expected it to be. Yeah, it cleans the shoe pretty good. Like the blue comes out more, but It's not gonna be no icy no more. Not even close. If anything, the piss yellow comes out more. And of course, you just want to dig deep inside the creases. Don't want to leave the soap. We could, but I mean, I usually just take it out. Don't blow it up. But yeah, I mean, the shoe's a really good. I really like the shoe.
Good quality.
The quality is really good, actually. Really, really good. It's not bad at all. Like last, I think this was probably the shoe with the best quality for last year. For Jordan series, that is. LeBron, on the other hand, is a whole different story. Kobe's and KD's, any other Nike are a whole different story. But Jordan wise, I think this one was the best one for the material for last year. So, as you can tell, this is. I mean, you can see the more yellow now here, but it's not as that dirty yellow like this. But that's because I just cleaned it basically. But here it is again. But this is what happens to your shoes after a whole year. I mean, but I wear them all the time, so don't take my word for it. The, the paint cracking on the back, scuff marks. Oh my gosh, this is what I hate the most. These fucking damn scuff marks.
You can't really see it.
You can't really probably see in the camera, but I mean, I don't know how in the hell I got scuff marks on these shoes. I mean, it's just horrible. I would know if someone stepped on my shoes. That shit really pisses me off. I'm pretty sure it pisses off a lot of people though. And then this little, I don't know if you can see that, but it's teared because it rubs against. But I mean, I don't know why I'm really talking about that. Just because I want to make the video a little bit more interesting. I don't want to make it boring for you guys. But yeah, this I don't want to clean the other shoe because I don't want to bore you guys from me cleaning the other shoe. Unless I'll put my cousin on camera, see what he can talk about, see what he can say about the shoes and what he thinks about it. So, huh? You want it? Alright, then never mind. I guess never mind on that. But anyways, this is um, basically how it ends up to turn out when you clean it. I mean, it's kind of common sense. Any sneakerhead or any person that cleans shoes basically would know what happens if you clean a dirty piss yellow and clean it. It's basically what turns to a more clean piss yellow. Still piss yellow, no white, nothing different. Doesn't matter what ingredient you're using. Maybe you see glow, but I'm kind of
risky. It's kind of risky.
yeah, it's kind of sketchy on that. I don't really want to risk that. Anyways, yeah, that's what it turns out to be. And the ingredients are I can say non-dish soap, rejuvenator, and then some comic bleach powder. Maybe it might work on other shoes that aren't as yellow as these. Maybe. I think it will. But like this, it's most likely going to just turn it to this color. And you're probably wondering why I'm doing a video on a year-old shoe. Because, I mean, we've been slacking on our channel. Me and my girlfriend have been slacking really bad on our channel. But, and not posting a lot of videos. So, I mean, me and my cousin were bored anyway, so we just decided to make a video of a year-old shoe and how to clean it. But we didn't know this was what it was going to turn out to be. Anyways, you can hear the Rihanna music in the background. Like I said, subscribe, like. There will be more videos coming up, but for now, I mean, sorry for the slack, guys. I know you guys have been probably hesitating to wait to see our other videos, but we've been slacking. And as you can hear the Miley Cyrus music in the background, but this isn't the playlist that we thought. Man, I hate this song so much. Anyways, damn, I hate this song. Anyways, guys, hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it, no matter, it's me. And subscribe to my cousin, Obey Louise 93. And till next time, guys.